The honeymoon phase of the AI revolution is over. We've seen the hype, we've seen the gold rush, but as we move deeper into 2026, a brutal reality is setting in. Most people using AI to make money today will be broke by next year. Why? Because they are using AI to be average faster. Today, I'm showing you the Great Reset and the only 3 skills that will keep you indispensable when machines can do everything else. Chapter 1. The Commodity Trap. If you use AI to write a generic book, create a generic course, or build a generic agency, you have a problem. You've created a commodity. In an era where production cost is near zero, the price of average drops to zero. If anyone can do what you do with a single prompt, you have no business. You have a ticking time bomb. Chapter 2. The Human Premium. So, what survives? The human premium. Deep empathy. Machines can't feel, can't understand the nuance of a client's fear or ambition. High-stakes strategy. AI can give you data, but it can't take responsibility for a $10 million decision. Personal brand. People don't buy from logos. They buy from people they trust. Your unfair advantage isn't the AI you use. It's the human connection you build around it. Chapter 3. Becoming anti-fragile. To be anti-fragile in 2026 means building a barbell strategy. On one side, use AI for maximum efficiency and low-cost operations. On the other, double down on high-touch, high-value human relationships. Use the machine to buy back your time, then use that time to do things a machine never could. The Great Reset isn't coming. It's here. You can either be a victim of the automation wave or the one riding it. Stop looking for shortcuts and start looking for depth. If you're ready to build something that lasts, subscribe and join the 10%. Your future self is counting on you.